the employees, isn't it? So I actually have used my data itself. Okay, so you can just go ahead with your own data. I mean, own data, else your fake data as well. Okay, just fake API. Fine. Guys, remember the last class? We had been taking the fake APIs, isn't it? So here I actually had used the fake API and it returns the promise. Okay, so in case if it has fulfilled, which found the proper response, okay, it goes to then. In case not, then it goes to the catch. Okay, in case if there's any problem, then it actually goes to the. You can just take this one also, not at all a problem. Okay. Okay. Only one data will get because we actually have asked for only one only. Clear? So promise, yes. So we have got the promise, it is fulfilled, and the object we have only one because the ID one we have asked. Clear? And complete to-do list. Yes, we have got the complete to-do list which has 200. Okay, so how to make this one visible on the web page? Okay, so let us just go ahead and delete the previous files that are not required of all those things. Okay, fine. Let me just put this one as well in comment. Let's just go ahead and write something. Okay, so anything else, isn't it? So we just need to get one button. Okay, so when we click the button, we need to get the data. Okay, so like that, I'm going to write. Clear? So button. Okay, and we are going to get the output for that button. Okay, so for that, let's just create one text box, and inside this, we're going to use one ID, which is going to be the output. Okay, and here it is on click. Okay, so here we are going to write the button. Okay, so directly we can go ahead with the event lesson now. Okay, button. Okay, get post or get fake APIs, fake data. Okay, so like this. Let's just put yes, we have got it. Okay, so let us just do the design for this one and all later on. Okay, so consider this as a mini project. Okay, so we are going to use the fetch and we are going to bring the data inside this div. Okay, paragraph and the heading. Okay, so heading is also there, right? So we have the heading as well as the paragraph. Okay, sorry, not here. Go to this one. Yes, title. What is the data we have here? Oh, title alone we have here for this one. Okay, let's also take then this one, isn't it? Post 100. So title and the body. Okay, fine. Let us take this one itself. Yes, and just to put this one in one variable. Okay, which is called as API. Okay, sorry, put it as a string. Fine, and we are going to just keep that one inside. Clear, guys? Okay. Before that, kindly take this one button first. Okay. Document dot get element by ID, and here it is going to be the button. Just to put it into some other button. Okay, variable btn itself. Okay, and then next one, it is the output. Correct. Put it inside the output itself. Document dot get element by ID. Output. Clear? So this is how actually we had written. So let us just take that itself and I have put it into some other variable. Clear? And for the button, we are going to just create an event listener. Okay, so when we click get. We just need to get one function. The function name is any name, okay, which is fetch post or get post, anything else. Okay, so let me just put get post or fetch post. Okay, anything else. That's okay. Next. Yes, write the method then. Fine. Function. You can write the whole function in this place as well. Not at all a problem. Okay. Post. Yes. So here we are going to write the thing. Okay. So let us just take this one and put it inside this. Okay. Else you can just put it outside as well. Not at all a problem. Next. Guys, listen to this one carefully. Okay. Because very, very important topic. Okay. So when we click the button, what actually has to be done, isn't it? Okay. So here, okay, so let us just use the fetch and put the API. Okay, and here we are going to get the response, isn't it? And we just need to accept the response, just to put the response or rest anything else. Okay, so it's your wish only about the local variable. Clear? If not response, okay, dot okay, that time what we need to do is just throw new error, 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 capital letter, right? Yes. Okay, so error, um, error in fetching the data. Clear? Else, okay, else return the response. Okay, so response dot data. So sorry, response dot JSON. Okay, in the format of the JSON, kindly return it. So that is what we have told. Clear? And another one then we are going to use, and from this one, okay, so from this one we are going to take the data because we actually have got the data, isn't it? So in case if there's no problem in this URL, we are going to get the data here. Clear, guys? And put the data or anything else, okay, any variable as per your wish, you can just use your variable. Yes, so just print this one and see, okay, whether we are able to get the fetch the data or not. Fine, so we should get the data. Okay, click it. Yes. Okay, so from the line 18. Clear? In case there's no, then we need to get the, yes. So I actually have deleted the R and now see here, failure to fetch. Okay, so this actually goes to the catch. Okay, we actually have throw the error, isn't it? So that actually goes to the catch. Clear? So in the catch, we need to get the error. Clear? Get this error. Okay, so hold on. Next. So we need to present this data on the web page. Okay, so just to take the output. Okay, in the output, what is it? Inner HTML of this output ID. Okay, in this element, we just need to bring the complete content. Okay, inside this div element. Okay, so output dot inner HTML is equal to simple nothing. Okay, so first I actually have initialized something. Okay, empty string. And with this empty string, we are going to concatenate the data, okay, with the previous string. So how we actually have used the reverse, isn't it? So reversing the string. That time we would have taken the ref variable, and for that variable we would have given the empty string, and we just give all the strings. Okay, so concatenated with the previous string. Clear? So that is what actually we are going to do here. Okay, so take the data. Okay, so data is there, right? So inside this one, okay, so from this data, we are going to take the data using the for each. Not required, not required. Okay, so directly we can just take element, yes, post or data. Okay, anything else you can just use post or data. Okay, so from the data, we are going to just take the data. Okay, so all the data will be transferred here, and the iteration is going to be like this. Okay, iteration is going to happen like this. So this is actually best replacement for the for each loop. Clear? So yes, next output dot inner HTML plus equal to, okay, and inside this use this template literal. Okay, to write the element directly. So we need to write the element directly. Okay, inside the div box, we are going to write the H3 and the P. Clear? So like that. Okay, and inside this, write the P. Okay, H3, yes. So H3 or H2 or anything else. Okay, so you can just go ahead with any of these two. Okay, and next paragraph. Okay, so write it by yourself because this is completely deprecated one inside the template literal. Okay, you need to write it. Yes, take the data. Simple. Okay. So what is the data here? First is from the post, we are going to take the title. Okay. And from the post, we are going to take the, I don't know, let us just see, body. That's all. Clear, guys? That's all. So we'll be able to see the data. Yes, of course. Okay. So these lines are from this H3 and these lines, isn't it? So from the P. Clear? It actually has got concatenated with the previous inner HTML data. Previous inner HTML data for this one is nothing. Okay. And previous data for this data is this one. Okay. Previous of this one is this one. Like that, it gets concatenated. Clear? Do you have any doubts, ma'am? And next, the catch here and error. Okay, get the error. Where is it? It's actually just to get it using any variable, simple. Okay, just go ahead with this one as well. So just to put this one in the console, not at all a problem. Okay. Mm. Mhm. Console log dot error. Okay, so like that also you can just provide. Oh, sorry. Console dot error. Okay, just take the error. Simple. Oh, sorry. I think so. Like this, we just need to give. Yeah, that's all. Clear? If it is the same line, then you can just go ahead like this itself. So I'll be able to see the error in case there's any error. Okay, then we'll be able to get the error like this. Oh my God, where's the exact error? Not able to get it. Okay, 1 second. Let me just put this one and see. We should get the error. What happened? Failure to fetch. Get post. Okay. 1 second, now 1 second. What has happened? I just need to see the error in the console. Oh my God, what happened? Hmm, what is the problem? 1 second, ma. Okay, inside this one only, we just need to get the error, isn't it? So what is the problem? Everything is perfect only, isn't it? Okay. Hmm, that is what we have thrown here, isn't it? Certain pitching the data, yes, everything is perfect. So here also we have given perfect only. What is the problem? Okay, so not able to get the error properly. Okay, so that which we have sent it here, error in fetching, isn't it? So that is what we just need to get, but not able to get it properly. So no problem. Okay, so we actually are able to get the data here, isn't it? Failure to fetch. Okay, so do you have any doubts, Ma? In case if we have got the data perfectly, okay, so this is what is going to be. So in case if you want to just do any design for this one, okay, so you can just put the class and container. Okay, so ID for this one, it is head Okay, and for this one, it is para. Okay, so you can just take these two things and can do the design as well for this one. Clear? How to do this one? So add one style sheet for this one and can use it. Simple only. Style.css. Okay, so it is just to see whether we are able to get it or not. Link right? Yes, forgot it. Okay, fine. So just to take this one, so which is the container, correct? Background color. Let us first check. Okay, so whether we, yeah, yes, working. Okay, working perfectly. You can just do the designs like this and check. Border for the container is 2 pixels solid. Okay, maroon. So we are able to get it. So margin. Okay, so basically general margin. Let us first give. Yeah. Okay, so it has been working successfully. So do you have any doubts, ma? Adding also because it is very, very nearby this one, isn't it? So it is supposed to get 10 pixel. Adding, yeah. Okay, so it's perfect. Next, font, isn't it? So yeah, font size is 1.5 m or 2 m would be great. This is okay only, but not that great. Okay, so let's just to put the 5. Okay, so it's okay. Nice. Next, font family. Okay, so it is just to give it to that one. Okay, so not to this one. Uh, Border radius. 10 pixel. Yes. Yeah. Better. Correct. Okay. Then dot para, isn't it? And another one is dot head. Sorry, they are actually I have given it as the ID. Correct. Head. Mm, Font family. Just give anything. Not at all a problem. Okay, so okay, so Times New Roman itself. Not required to do any changes for this one. Okay, so we can just have the color alone. So which is the color? Mm, okay, we can keep the maroon color as the border, isn't it? Okay, perfect. Next, for this one. Okay, family. Yeah, just to keep the cursive or anything else. Okay, yeah, better. Next, font weight. You can just give add something like this. Yes. Okay, better. And give the font family for this font weight for this one as well, which is 800. Yes. Okay, so delete it. Okay, so not required for this one. Else give 300. That's enough. Okay, so normally only. Normal only. Fine. So do you have any doubts, ma? Okay, so totally 100. Yes, this is how you need to fetch the data. Not audible? Guys, is my voice audible to everyone?
Yes, ma'am. We understood.
Okay. So next, another one type is also there. Okay, so for this one, let us also see that one, and we'll see little bit of bootstrap, and we'll close the session for today. And tomorrow we'll continue. Okay, so within a day, tomorrow itself we'll complete the bootstrap and we'll close the course. Okay, easy only. Okay. Next, we actually have got it like this. Okay, instead of using the uh, then and the catch. Okay, so we can just go ahead with another one as well, which is called as async and await. Okay, so using that also you can just go ahead, not at all a problem. Okay, so how to do that one? Okay, so let me just put this one in comment, else we can just write another one. Okay, fetch post. Okay, take this one and kindly write it using the arrow function. I mean, I have been using the arrow function. Okay, so you can just use it in any way, not at all a problem. Okay, so here inside this, we need to write the logic. Okay, so first, yes. take this one and put it inside this one. Okay, and next. So kindly use the async. 1 second, guys. Actually, we can use yes or no. Okay, kindly change this one as a function itself. Okay, so don't use this one function itself. Yes, so only then you will be able to use the async. Okay, for the normal function. Yes. Okay, fine. And kindly take this one. Okay, so try. Okay, using the try and the catch, we are going to write it. Okay, so here it is catch. Okay, so write like this and keep it aside. Then for this one, so inside the try, we are going to just use something like okay, so put this one inside this one. Okay, put this one inside this. Yes. So all the code we are going to write inside this one only. So how to write it? Okay, so we are going to get the response only, isn't it? So response, okay, is equal to fetch. For the fetch, we need to use the await. Okay, so wait until we complete taking the data from the API. Okay, so that is the meaning for this one. URL. Correct URL. Oh, API itself. Isn't it? Okay, API. Next. So we would have got the response, isn't it? So for that response, we just needed to write the logic simple. Okay, not response dot okay. That time we need to throw new error. Okay, and that error has to be catched by the catch simple. Error in fetching the data. Okay, fine. Next. So else, isn't it? So else throw it simple. Okay, else return the data. 1 second, ma. So why actually hasn't it been accepting response, hasn't it? Okay, 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 okay. From the response, in case if there's no response, okay, so response is not okay. Else, so what we need to do is, oh my God, sorry, is it kindly delete this one for now? Okay, so let us just do it later on. Okay, so this is actually for this one. This is for this one. Okay, kindly put one curly braces for this one. Yes, okay. So everything is perfect. Okay, so inside, I mean outside of this one, okay, we just need to write if, okay. Else, kindly go to the next one. So which is, mm, okay, just to keep this await. Okay, here await response. Okay, so kindly send the response dot JSON. Simple. Okay, that is what actually we had to do. Return completely. I mean, store this one in some other variable. Okay, which is called as anything else, so post or data or anything else. Okay, you can just write it. Simple. Next, just take the output again here. Okay, dot inner HTML, isn't it? So equal to empty string. Then take the post. So post dot for each loop. Okay, and inside this one you can just use the data or post anything else. Okay, as per your wish, you can just have it. Not at all a problem. Sorry. Okay, and again we need to take the output only. Okay, so output dot inner HTML plus equal to, and then concatenate the data. Simple. Okay, so what is the data we are going to concatenate? Not a desired. Okay, just take this one itself. Simply. Yeah, take everything and put it here. So, oh my God, what happened? What is the problem? Okay. Okay, so double the times we actually had got that one. Okay, fine. So now it is perfect. Okay. So after this one, we just need to get the catch. Okay. And try to get that catch and add the error here. Okay. And add the error simple. Okay. Fine. And take the data and put it here. Yeah, that's all. So same output we have got. Okay. And design and all I actually have given already. Okay. So the same design has been applied for this one as well. So two variant, okay? So we can just use like this as well and like this as well, okay? Using the try and the catch and using the promise directly, okay? Anyway, it is going to return the promise only, okay? That one actually have written inside the try so that we have used the catch here, okay? And here we have used the uh, direct fetch itself, okay? So promise itself we have used, so then and the catch. Clear, guys? That's all. So do you have any doubts?
Ma'am, what's the difference between these two? Like, will it change with the performance wise? Which is the best option?
No, 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 no. You can use either that one or this one. Both actually has the same
Mm,
thing. Okay.
okay.
In case if you are going to use the normal function, kindly use the async and await and everything. Okay. So in case if it is
Mm,
not, in case if you're going for the arrow function, not required at all. But yes, this is the best way. Okay. So this is the best way. So use the async and use it. Okay. So that is the best way. But you can just go ahead with this one as well. Okay. Inside the function. Okay. So you can use the async as well here. Async and await as well you can use. So you can just fetch the data and put it in some other variable. Okay, so fetching the data, isn't it? So that's when you can just use the async and await. So here also you can just use it, not at all a problem. Async and just to take this one and put it in some other variable. Okay, let response. Okay, so like this, you can just use it and use the await here and take that response and kindly give it to this one. Simple. Okay, so anyway, both are actually is going to be seen. Clear? And next, yes, here it is going to give the response only. Okay, so only one time await is enough. Clear? So for this one. Yes. And here I have used double the times, isn't it? Because I didn't use the return. Okay, so instead of that, I actually have used directly itself. Okay, so if and so we have taken the response. Okay, and that response I have put it into the post. Yeah, so do you have any doubts? Like this also you can use, like this also you can use. Okay, both actually performs in the same way only, same logic. Clear, guys? Do you have any doubts now? That's all. That's all the complete JavaScript. Okay, so we have completed it successfully. And yes, so to the bootstrap. Okay, so I hope you people have remember about the CSS. Yeah, have any idea about the CSS mean, which is like we have already completed. So it is not like have idea. You should be thorough with the CSS, right? Then we will be able to understand the bootstrap as well. Guys, is my voice audible to everyone? I haven't been getting any response from you guys.
Yes, ma'am, it's audible.
Okay, so got it.
Yes,
Do
ma'am.
you people have any doubts from any topics of JavaScript?
No, ma'am.
Okay, what about others? Very silent. What I can take, whether you people have doubt or no.
no
No
doubt,
doubts,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, fine. Shall we get into the bootstrap now? Little bit, okay? So text, color and all we'll see. And then we'll go for little bit advanced topic tomorrow. Clear? Okay. So to write the bootstrap, okay? So let me just to open another one folder for you. Okay, which is going to be the bootstrap here. Bootstrap. Go ahead. Okay. So here I'm going to create one file. Okay, so create it. Again, this file only we are going to write all the things. Okay, fine, and just take it. Okay, so go to the Bootstrap official website. Okay, Bootstrap 5, and see here inside of this, you'll be able to find this one. Okay, so which this has to be linked. Okay, so before that, let me just write something here. Paragraph. Okay, hello with Bootstrap. Okay, so okay, let us also see the output of this one. Yeah. Okay, this is what is actually the normal text which we have got from the browser. Okay, copy this one and paste it here. That's all, configuration over. Easy, right? Very, very easy. Clear? That's all. And see here. Yeah, see this one? We had got something like this, isn't it? See here, so we have got the width, margin and the padding as well. Okay, so margin, and inside that actually we have got the padding, little bit padding. Okay, in case if you have any doubts, kindly go ahead. Okay, click this one and see. Okay, so we have got all the things. See here, margin. Mm, yeah, okay. So margin alone we have got, isn't it? But yeah, so top and the bottom margin, and a little bit left side also we have got, but it doesn't show here. Okay, but it's okay. No, not at all a problem. You just need to understand the difference. Okay, so when we apply the bootstrap for our complete HTML, what actually happens? Clear? So we didn't get any margin nor the padding as well. Clear? So everything is perfect, and the text is also a little bit different. Correct? That is the speciality about the bootstrap. Okay, so in case if you wanted to take this one, script one. Okay, so you can just take that one as well. With that one, actually, we can just do something, but not required at all. In case if you require, okay, you can just have this one as well. Where is it? One second. .css. Where's the JavaScript one? Yeah, script is here. Fine. So copy this one and put it in the script. Fine. So for the cross origins, they actually have given something. Okay, just to use this one as well here. Okay, so this is actually for the JavaScript one. The same thing we have got it here. Okay, so as like this one, so we actually have got this one as well. Some packages we will get. Okay, fine. So it is just to go ahead and write something here. Okay, so which is like the H1, isn't it? So inside the H1, we can just write it like this. Okay. So what is the speciality of this bootstrap is we can create some, what is it actually? The designs would have been created by default. Okay. So they actually would have developed by default. Okay, so they would have given some width, some padding, some text designs, okay, colors and all by default. So we are going to just take all the things. Okay, just going to be like a template. So we are going to just take everything and we are going to use it. Clear? So customize. So see here. So we actually have the color. What are all the colors we have here? Okay. Layouts. Yes, grid is there. Okay, so columns is there. Containers is there. Okay, so these are all actually the basic things that we need to know. Okay, so cutters, utilities, and all not required to see in the first day class itself. Okay, so little bit practice by practice only you will be able to get it. Okay, so components. Okay, not required of the component as well. One second. So what are all the important things? Yes. Okay, so forms, layouts. Okay, so in this these two things alone we require, and for the content, yes. So typography, tables, images. Okay, so these are all important for us. Clear? Okay, let us also see one by one. First is the typography. Okay, so we actually have got the H1 like this, isn't it? So we can just put the class, but everything has been configured using the class only. Okay, so not required to use any other things. We need to use the class alone. Okay, so not required for writing the ID. So ID is for the CSS thing. Okay, in case if we don't have anything in the bootstrap class, That time we need to take the ID and we can just do the design as well for that particular element. Clear? In case of there's no expected design in the bootstrap for the particular element, we just needed to go to the separate styling one. Okay. Okay. So here we have the heading itself. Okay. So H1. So write like this and see here. So we have got the same thing. Okay. So for the paragraph, we can just change the paragraph as well into the heading. Okay. So see here. Okay. We have the 6, 3, 4, 5, 6. Clear? So like this also we can write and paragraph and all, normally paragraph itself. Okay. So not at all, we don't need to write any design or for the paragraph. So see here, so we actually have changed the paragraph into the heading. Okay. And this one, so not required to write. Let us just go ahead with the paragraph itself and another one, which is the display one. Okay. So see the thing, one second, ma. Paragraphs, okay, with the displays. Fine. So see here, so we have got double the H1 size. Okay, so this is also is available. We can just avail this one as well. We can just go ahead with the 6. So do you have any doubts? Easy only, right? Clear? So we have got decreased like this. Clear? So these are all actually the text styles, ma. Okay, text styles. So not the font family, it is text styles. Okay, you can just change the font family as well using your normal styles. Okay, that is also is possible. Don't worry. So next, colors. Okay, what are all the colors we have here? So colors for the paragraphs. Okay, so give like this text. Okay, so what are all the colors we have? Let me just write it. Primary. Blue. Okay. Next, secondary. Okay, light gray. Mm, danger, red. Warning, yellow. Yellow, yellow only. I think so. Let us see. Okay. Success, green. Where it is? One second. So, what all the colors we have got? Where's the colors? Oh my God. Customizes colors there. Secondary, success. Okay. Warning, yes, yellow only. Info. Okay, dark. They actually have given some colors. Okay, in case if you're not satisfied with these many colors, you can just have the normal CSS colors also. Not at all a problem. Okay. Info is light blue. Next, yeah, light is white only. Okay, light is white, and then dark is actually black. Clear, guys? So these many colors available here. Secondary, and another one color is also there, which is the gray. Okay, secondary, and another one color is also there. Not light gray. Okay, so light gray we get actually when we use that one. So where is that? Not able to see. Okay, you can just select from the palette as well. Okay, so you just need to write the hexadecimal only. Okay, we have here. So not at all a problem. Okay. Okay, fine. So let us also see these many basic colors. Okay, fine. First, primary. Yes. Okay, we have got it. One second. Okay. Next. Okay. Secondary. Okay. And next. Danger. Next. Next it is warning. Fine. Okay. Danger. Warning. Next success. Info, which is dark. Okay. And the last one is light, isn't it? So when we use the light, kindly use the background as well for that one. Okay. So we actually have here, see here, it is there. Clear, guys? So do you have any doubts with the colors? Okay. So background, VG, success. Yes, we have got it. Else we can just go ahead with some other colors as well, like yellow color, isn't it? So one. Okay, fine. And just take this one and put it here. And you can just give some other color, which was, what was the color previously? Secondary, yes, gray color. Okay. Danger. Okay. It's not that great, but it's okay. Isn't it? Okay, here is sister. Give the next one, which is called as what it is. Okay. Info. Okay. Next. Success. Yeah. Okay. So next, it is. I mean, we can just go ahead with the light. Okay. So black isn't it? So go ahead with the light. 1 second. Yes. 1 second. Sorry. Guys, clear? Is it easy for you all?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next. Give the warning. Okay. So that actually will be visible for this one. Perfectly, yes. Okay. And then for this one, because, okay, so go to the thing. Okay, so dark and, okay, fine. Next, warning. It is, we can give the primary. Okay, simply, I've been giving everything now. Okay, so as per your wish, you can just change it accordingly. So give the dark because we actually have got the white, isn't it? Yes. So kindly change it to the dark. Yes. So that's all about the borders and the text color. So do you have any doubts? Okay.
No, ma'am.
Paragraph can be changed into the button as well. Button. Not able to get it. Okay, 1 second. Button. Oh my God. Yes. Okay, so we have got one thing here. BTN success. Yes. So we have got it. Okay. So see here. So in case if you just put the button as well. Okay. So we'll get the button perfectly. Okay. So kindly take this one. So to mention that this is a button, okay, so we just need to get it. See here, so when we click, isn't it? So we have got something. Clear? In case if you just put the button and give this one, you'll get this one. Yeah. And what is for the paragraph actually? 1 second, guys. Let me just check with the paragraph as well. That should actually happen for the paragraph as well. Okay, it doesn't happen. Okay, fine. So for the button, kindly give this one and use it. Okay. See here, the button is it. So inbuilt button we actually have got. Perfectly we have got. Okay, and for this one, we just need to give the pleasant color and everything. So BTN success. Okay, so like that, you actually have all the things. Clear? So do you have any doubts? Same colors. Okay, you can just use it for this one as well. Danger. What is it then? Success primary. Okay. Secondary. Okay. Next, light, dark. What else we have? Info. Yes. So I'll be able to take all the buttons, and another one is also there, ma. Okay, so kindly go here. You can just take the templates as well from here. Okay, so I can use it. Not at all a problem. Where's the button? We started. Do we have the button here? Overview, options. Okay, buttons are here. Yes. So you can just have the join button as well. So how to do it? Breadcrumbs is different. Okay. So which is the folders? Folder structure. Button group. Yes, this one only. So group the button. Okay. So 3 buttons should be grouped. So that is also is possible. We can just take these 3 or first 3. Okay. First 3 can be used inside the button. 1 second. Oh, okay. So diff dot. Okay. Button dot group. Oh, sorry. Group completely. They actually have written. Okay. So like this, you just need to write it. Okay. Okay. Next, put everything inside this one. Simple. No, not getting it. Oh my God. Class only, right? So we actually have written group. Correctly only we have written. Not required of the remaining amount. It should be got quickly. Why? We haven't got it. Ah, okay. So I didn't see this one. Okay, so I was actually seeing here. Ah, yes. So yes. Okay, so we have got it. See here, some effect doesn't it? So we have got. So that is what the bootstraps specialty. Yeah, another one is also is there. So just check this like this also. Okay, button group. And to give the anchor tags as well. Okay, so into the button. You can just change the anchor tags as well into the button. Check boxes. Okay, so like this also you can just have not at all a problem. Yeah. Okay, so these many things are there. You can just take uh, the things. Okay, so completely and take it and put it in your code and see. So how this actually works out. So small code is enough. Okay, so not required of this bigger one. Okay, so these two are actually something called 1 second. Guys, 1 second. Yeah, outline primary. Okay, so this one only. This one only was actually searching previously. Okay, so see here. Okay, in case if you keep the outline like this, this actually happens. So, see here, clear. So hovering, that actually happens here. In case if you keep the outline to this one. Fine, guys, understood? Okay, completely
Yes,
it is
ma'am.
going to be the templates only. When we do the application, we are just going to take it from here and we are going to use it. Okay, so that is what is the bootstraps specialty. Okay, so they actually have a code for the entire templates. Okay, however we want. Okay, so for all we actually have in the website itself. So I would not have showed any websites so far, isn't it? Because not required of the website. Okay, for any other things. But for the bootstrap, yes, especially we just need to take it from the website only. Okay, so we need to refer those many things and do the work. Okay, so when it comes to an application, so don't not required to remember all these things. Okay, so they are all actually the deprecated one only will not be able to get it in the suggestion. Okay, so not required to mug up all these things as well. So kindly refer the website and do it. Okay, so that's great. Mm, not required to use these many things. Okay, so don't require. So we just need to apply only this one. Okay, and the button that how you give. Okay, so that is what is very important. See here, it actually happens like this, and the website is also has been created using the bootstrap only. Clear? Yes, so you can just take this one and put it there and can use it simple. Okay, so in case if you use like this, and that actually works perfectly. Okay. Yeah, okay. So to understand the difference, yes. Okay, so we have got it. Okay, so in case if you want to just change the color of this one, okay, so color of this one as well, which is success, yes, green, blue, green, and red. Yeah. So do you have any doubts, Ma? Okay, so like this, also you can just keep it and have grouped the first one for the four buttons, and second one has been grouped here. Okay, and the third one, which is only one. Okay, so has been grouped here. Fine. So like that they actually have given. So do it like this and see, okay, how this actually works. And okay, so we'll speak about the large, small, and all tomorrow. Okay. So this is actually the large device. Okay. So for the large device, how we need to get it. For the small device, how we need to get it. Okay. Small, large, extra, small, Excel. Okay. So double Excel like that we have. So we have the tablet mode. This is the screen size. Okay, normal laptop size and the large laptop size. Okay, so desktop size, small mobile size. Okay, and little bit larger screen size, mobile size itself. Okay, the tablet size. Okay, so large tablet size. Then actually comes to the desktop. So like that we have a number of the things. Okay, so we'll speak about that one later on tomorrow. Clear, ma? So do you have any doubts? For today, it's enough. Okay, so tomorrow we'll see the